Well, here we are again. Welcome back. This is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State College, and you are watching the final exam review series for Intermediate Algebra. We are on question number 42. Let's go ahead and jump in and see what we have in store. All right, so the directions for number 42 are again the same as 41. They want us to use the rule of exponents to simplify the expression. Write the answer with positive exponents. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. 42. All right, and they give us 2x to the 2/5 power times x to the 11/5 power minus 5x. All right, well, what if I were to give you, let's say, x to the second times x to the 8th? What would you tell me the answer is? Hopefully you said x to the 10th, right? Because when we multiply like bases, we add our exponents. So in this case, x squared times x to the 8th, like bases. So we add our exponents. 2 plus 8 is 10. Well, same thing here. We're multiplying like bases, and so we are going to add our exponents. So first and foremost, what is 2x times x? Well, that's going to give us 2x. But because these are like bases, our x, we're going to add our exponents. So really we have 2/5 plus 11/5. And what do I need in order to add and subtract fractions? Well, I need a common denominator. Fortunately, I have one here, and that's 5. So the 5, my denominator just moves right over, and I deal with my numerators. So 2 plus 11, well, that's just 13. And so when I multiply 2x to the 2/5 power times x to the 11/5 power, it comes out as 2x to the 13/5 power. All we did was we added our exponents. All right, same thing. Let's go ahead and distribute our 2x to the 2/5 power to our negative 5x. Well, when we do that, we get negative 10x, because 2 times negative 5 gives me negative 10. And now we're going to add the exponents. And here we have a 2/5, and this is really a 1, isn't it? So here we have 2/5 plus 1/1. But again, what do I need in order to add and subtract fractions? I need a common denominator, which in this case is going to be 5. So I've already got a 5 here, but I have a 1 here. So what do I have to multiply 1 by to get to 5? To multiply it by 5. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And so I multiply my numerator by 5 as well. So really, now that I have a common denominator, because 1 times 5 is 5, it moves over. And 1 times 5 again is 5. So really I have 2 plus 5 gives me 7. And so when I multiply 2x to the 2/5 power times negative 5x, it comes out as negative 10x to the 7/5 power. And that is my final answer. All right, so just remember, you've really got to commit those rules of exponents to memory because they are going to follow you. Like I said in a recent Facebook post, they're going to follow you for the rest of your math career. So might as well get used to it now and kind of get used to those rules because they're not going away. So again, when we are multiplying like bases, all we do is we add our exponents, and that's exactly what we did here. Well, this was number 42. Let's go ahead and move on to question number 43. This is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State. Thanks for watching.